Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Ask Me How. Today I will make video how to transfer money from Botim to Botim by using your mobile number. Come to my mobile screen, open your Botim and home section you will find local transfer. Where is local transfer? This is local transfer. Press on there. After press on local transfer, give the mobile number where you want to transfer. Suppose I am giving this mobile number to transfer my money from Botim to the Botim, and the guy who you are transferring, he must have Botim registration. After you put your mobile number, select the amount you want to transfer, then press on send. It will go to the another section. In that section you need to give your ID details, debit card or credit card. Put your details, debit card and credit card. Then it will come to the transfer page. Then you can transfer your money easily from Botim to Botim. Thank you for watching.